We are Netcope Technologies, experts in ultra-low latency and FPGA technology. Our mission is to enable trading companies to program their trading strategies in FPGA even with their software developers. That's why we have built Tradecope. Tradecope is an FPGA-based tick-to-trade framework where the full tick-to-trade pipeline is implemented directly in the FPGA card with unified C++ API for all exchanges. How can your software guys program FPGA? Thanks to the technology called high-level synthesis, or HLS, which we have been pioneering for years, software developers can implement your strategies in C or C++ and run them in FPGA. That enables you to get better scalability, flexibility, and independence while still using ultra-low latency technology. On top of that, we also handle the boring protocols. We support all the major exchanges like CME, Nasdaq, BATS, and many more. We also cover all the specification changes in these protocols. At the same time, we allow customer-specific configuration and customizations, combining the best of off-the-shelf and turnkey approaches. Your only focus is your strategy and profitability. Long-term partnerships are key for us. We have teamed up with Cisco, and our tick-to-trade platform can run on their hardware, both the FPGA-based smart NICs and switches. We have years of experience in the ultra-low latency field, and we are more than willing to share. So don't hesitate to get in touch. Together we can kickstart your FPGA project.